So this is gonna be our first attempt to try to restore this headlight. We're gonna try to make it like this, and right now it looks like that. So far this is all we got. We're hitting it with 600 grit sandpaper right now. I'm gonna blend it in. So now we're hitting it with 2000 grit paper, and you can already kind of tell a difference compared to what it was. You can compare the top at the bottom. The top has been kind of done already with the 2000 grit. The bottom hasn't, and you can already kind of tell a difference. Now what we're doing is we are polishing up the light. This is what it looks like after the sandpaper. And so now we're working on polishing it. This is normally going to take a little longer than what the sanding was. Alright, what's up? This is what it kind of starting to look like after a little bit of polishing.